Hey everyone, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay guys, so if you're new here, you are most and highly welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a remedy that would help you to get rid of mole. Okay, this remedy is actually very strong, powerful, and very effective, and it's going to help you to get rid of it in few days. Okay, so if you want to know what the ingredient is, stay put, and don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and share. Okay guys, now let us get into the video. Okay guys, so one very great ingredient that helps you get rid of mole and skin tag is toothpaste. Yeah, watch the video till the end so you could see how all of this is going to get together. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be putting in a little bit of toothpaste. Now, because of the minty flavor in toothpaste, it helps so much to tackle skin problems such as growths. Okay, so I'm going to be putting just a little bit of the toothpaste into this bowl. And just a little toothpaste is what we need. Now, the toothpaste that actually works really well is this Colgate. Yeah. Okay, so now the next ingredient, which is actually very important here, is ginger. Now you have to get a whole lot of ginger to help you get rid of all of this. Okay, so I'm going to be peeling the ginger. So now I'm going to be cutting it. And then we have to blend it. Okay, so I'm going to be putting just a little bit of water to blend this and blend it really good. Okay, so I just finished blending and I'm going to be turning everything into the toothpaste. And this is it, guys. Okay, so this is it. And let me show you another method in which you can actually do that. Okay, this particular method which banana is being used is actually a very simple method, but you would have to use it for about 1 week or thereabout for the mole would disappear. Yeah. So you're going to be removing the back of this banana, which obviously you're using the banana peel. and then you're gonna put it and then you're gonna mash it. Okay, you're gonna use this with Blue Seal Vaseline, and then you're gonna also use this. So these are the ingredients that you're gonna use for your skin tag. Now this is how you're gonna be doing it. Okay, you're gonna rub the Vaseline over those places where you have your skin tag. Okay, now Vaseline is just to protect the skin that is not affected with skin tag. Okay, it's not like the one killing the skin tag, it's just protecting the skin in which there is no skin tag. Right, so for this particular ingredient, you're going to take it and then you're going to apply it on there in those places that you have your skin tag. Okay, just like that. Okay guys, so that's it. Okay, so this is just how you're going to do it. Okay, if your skin tag is actually huge. All right, the same thing with the other one. Now for this particular one, you can use it for at least 5 days, okay, for your skin tag to be gone. Now when you apply it that way that I showed you, you're going to cover it up with a plaster. Okay, that would actually prevent it from falling off. You're going to protect it with plaster, it will not fall off. Okay, and for this particular one, this is what you're going to do. After you've applied your Vaseline, you're going to take the banana peel and then you're going to rub it all over where you have your skin tag. For this particular one, is not like going to go in 1 week, it might be up to 2 weeks for the banana peel, but for this particular one, at most 5 days is going to go. For this one is actually very mild. It's good if you're actually rubbing it onto your eye area in case you're having skin tag at that side. Just banana peel, you put it there and then you cover it up with a plaster, and it's actually very mild and it's going to kill off the skin tag little by little, and before you know it, all of the skin tag has died off. This is actually a very friendly remedy for skin tag. That's if you have it onto your face. But if you have it on your neck, on your back, your chest, and all of those places, you use this particular one. This one is the bomb. So that's it, you know, use it that way. This two method is going to help you to kill all of the stretch, all of the mole, and equally skin tag. Okay, basically, you know, just put plaster over it and you're good to go. Okay, go try it out. It's actually very natural and it is also affordable, yeah, compared to, you know, when you want to take it to anywhere for them to give you some stuff that is not going to work. Try this out and you're going to be loving it. So if you do love the video, please give me a huge like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you again. Bye guys, and stay beautiful.